Find xy. So xy is going to be this measure right here. And notice that you have two angles marked congruent in this triangle. That means we can apply the converse of the base angles theorem, where if we have two angles that are congruent in a triangle, the sides opposite them have to be congruent. So that means segment xy has to be congruent to segment xz, like that. So now we can write an equation and solve. 8x minus 12 equals 3x plus 3. Let's go ahead and solve for x. First thing, subtract 3x from both sides. So we're going to get 5x minus 12 equals 3. Add 12 to both sides. 5x equals 3 plus 12, which is 15. Divide by 5. X equals 3. Okay, now we know x equals 3, and the measure of xy is 8x minus 12, so we can now determine the actual measure of segment xy. So 8 times 3 minus 12 is equal to xy. So I'll put xy equals. We'll just simplify. 8 times 3 is 24, and then minus 12. So xy equals 24 minus 12, which is 12. Okay, let's review the process. We applied the converse of the base angles theorem because angle y and z are congruent, and then we wrote a simple equation, solved for x, applied that x value into 8x minus 12 to find the measure of xy.